Good morning, everyone. I am honored to share my impression and experiences regarding the Executive Motorcycle Riding Course. To be honest, I am not even in my wildest dream seeing myself joining this kind of course or activity. Nag-isip na lang po ako, may riding gears, yantok, uniform at combat shoes na po akong susuotin. It was my husband's idea na enroll po ako sa course nito. Isa po akong miyembro ng Team Marul. Hindi po ako marunong magpatakbo ng motor and no idea how to use or ride big bikes. So I just told myself na nakakahiya nang mag-back out. Kaya pakatawanan ko na lang since tuturuan din naman kami. At first, struggling po talaga ako sa mga daily exercises natin. Mabilad sa init, magbuhat ng gulong paikot sa training ground at iba pa. However, I feel so proud, especially when I see my husband's face na tuwang-tuwa habang pinapanood ako na para bang nakalamang sa akin ng 100 miles. I thought this course would only focus on basic operations and riding skills. However, I realized that it is much more than that. The training taught us the importance of discipline, responsibility, safety awareness, and confidence while riding on the road. One of the things I appreciate most was the practical exercises and hands-on experience. Yung every tumba during practice at pasa sa katawan, nakaka-proud tingnan. Because of this, I became more aware of the responsibilities of being a motorcycle rider. I learned that riding is not only about speed or convenience, but more importantly, about safety, respect for traffic laws, and protecting lives. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our guest of honor, Director HPG Police Brigadier General Ronel S. to our Regional Chief, Sir Benito Owen-Muqueco, Sir, Police Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Guste, Sir, Police Lieutenant Colonel Glenn Faustino, Sir, and to our instructors for sharing your knowledge with us. Your dedication made the training both educational and enjoyable. Lalong-lalo na po yung kagabi. To my classmates, a class R12 2006, class 09 and 10, Orion, congratulations to each one of us. I believe the lessons and experiences we have learned here will help us become safer, more disciplined, and responsible riders. And I hope we continue the camaraderie that we have as a class. Lastly, to my beloved husband, Police Lieutenant Colonel Mr. thank you for your support. Nakulang na lang, isali ka din naman siya sa attendance namin every practice. Thank you for pushing, inspiring, and motivating me before, during, and even up to this day to become one on Tiger. And yes, it really was meant to be, since we also share the same rooster number, 19. Because of you, nadagdagan ang pangarap ko. Pangarap ko na rin magkamotor kagaya ko. No pressure, promise. Once again, to everyone, congratulations and thank you.
time you're going to witness an AVP of the Orion's journey.